So my oil filter console somehow became just a filthy mess over the years. I wanted to clean it because it's kind of gross. But I didn't want cleaning solution to get in there, so I made all these little caps, including this one, which I actually think will be pretty helpful. I think that will be helpful just to have when you're working on your engine. You take the oil filter off. You don't want to let it just sit there open and have something debris fall in there. This thing is a nice way to cover it up without, you know, taking all the space of a filter. And then I also made a cap for the back. If you can see, there's like a little rubber gasket that I made out of TPU, which is like rubberized plastic. And this way, I can just go to town with a scrub brush on this thing, simple green or whatever it's going to take. So stay tuned on that. It should be clean soon. And just like that, it's clean as a whistle. Well, it's clean as some whistles. It's way cleaner. And I can pick it up without getting greasy. Ta-da!
CarPokes, the friendly Porsche forum.